Bam! All right, my people. It don't happen. Now, still your boys, that boy, Aremo Jesu, nothing do you. This time around, we come in a different direction, you understand? That is it. So just take it like that. You know, many people yeah, they are calling me, they said, Aremo, we like your program, we want you to use a general language, and that is why I come in this language. Thank you. You can see the breaking news right now. As I'm telling you, I don't want to waste your time. Breaking news: 11 Nigerian soldiers captured by military regime in Burkina Faso. Wow, wow. What happened? Why all this? 11 Nigerian military personnel are currently being held by the Burkina Bay military. Wow, 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 wow. In Bobo Dialauso for southwest of Burkina Faso. Wow, 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 wow. That one will be after their aircraft conducted an emergency landing while violating what we call AES airspace. Yes, there's a law in the airspace, they call it AES. That is, you must not land without informing the airport authority of that particular country. But this our Air Force don't violate Burkina Faso law, so they owe them. Maybe you no forget, say for Burkina Faso, na military dey rule there. So what happened? You understand? There's a coup going on in Benin Republic, and I think maybe when our Air Force wanted to go to Benin, and Benin Republic is nearby Nigeria here. What do they go and do? There's something fishing. I think that is why the Burkina Bay airspace authority have to pin them down. 11 Nigerian military personnel are currently being held by Burkina Bay. So at the end of we are still investigating. So we are going to bring the news to you. So we still have a lot to share with you. Just sit down and relax. There is a video that I'm bringing to you. Yeah, I will bring it for you. Just sit down and relax. You know, in Source TV, particularly if I'm on with you like this, I promise to give you as it go. No removing, no adjustment. I will give even the one wey be say all those radio and TV station no one give you, come to my platform. You will hear the best and how the thing happen. Once again, my name is Abbas Olumuyiwa, aka Aremo Jesu. Your loved one, just hold on and still coming back. Listen to this news. Hey, before I go, make I tell you the name of the Air Force, the plane where they carry. The name of that plane is Nigerian Air Force C-130 aircraft. Nigerian Air Force C-130 aircraft. They don't capture them for Burkina Faso. Wetin they find when they go. Yes, we go analyze everything soon. If this is your first time of joining me on this platform, please press subscribe to my page so that I can be giving you what you need to hear about the current news going on. Thank you. God bless you. I remain myself, Abbas Olumuyiwa. Thank you. All right, my people. The Benin Republic don't announce say then they look for Lieutenant Pascal Tigri. Who be Lieutenant Pascal Tigri? Na that lieutenant, na that soldier man, na that soldier personnel wey go organize coup. He go organize coup. They won't comot Talon, the president of Benin Republic. Shey una remember? Una remember the coup recently wey they just, if you never hear, they won't collect power, they won't take power, collect power. You know, say power pass power. They won't take power, collect power from that man, that president, Talon for Benin Republic. thank God for everything. Oh. Thank God. If no be say the intervention of Nigerian Air Force, our Nigerian Air Force, our Nigerian military, wey no fit fight terrorists, but dem do wonder, dem go Benin Republic. That man don go to I'm going to give you the video, the details of the video. Just hold on and relax. But I just say make I quickly tell you as e dey boil my belle. Na that's why I say make I quickly tell you. I say make I quickly tell you. You understand? They don declare that guy wanted o. They don declare am wanted. Anywhere you see am, call my number. Anywhere wey you see am, call my number. I know how I go take call Talon. If I no see Talon call, I go call Jagaban. You understand? It is still your boy. Àrẹ̀mọ Jésù náà ni mi ò yí padà. Mo kàn ní kí n tún gbàbẹ̀ yẹn wọlé ní ẹ̀yin tèmi. Ẹ má fọ̀ bó ṣe ń lọ náà nìyẹn. Ẹ̀yin tèmi na my people talk say dem dey enjoy me. They say make I try analyse my I should express myself in a language that everybody go understand. You understand? So that's why I come in this way. We go dey miss am both broken. Now we get broken. Now Naija get broken. You understand? Now we get am and Yoruba respect. I will dey pick Mama Fi Yoruba not see and sometimes little English wey be say wey my late father wey teach me. You understand? So now, what are we saying? Another one happen. Another one happen. Another one happen. Where it for happen? I go tell you from these names now. You know, say, shey you don hear say soldier, they don kill protester in Yola. Soldier, our Nigerian soldier, our Nigerian military, they kill people wey dey protest for Yola. They kill them. Nigerian soldier, escorted brigade commander. Yes. The name of the commander, I will tell you, but I don't want to tell you now. We still dey do investigation. We still dey do investigation, my people. So, and again, my people, the governor of Governor Bako, you know that Niger state, that Niger Minna, for the state where former president of Nigeria, that man, IBP, you understand, for Minna, yes, the governor of that state now. The governor of that state now officially received 100 rescued St. Mary's Catholic school girls wey dem kidnap, wey those bad boys for north, wey we dey call them maybe na ex-wife or terrorists or Boko Haram or Lakurawa boys. You know say as we hear say na Nigeria be the headquarter of terrorists. Yes. Now the thing wey people dey talk be that. So that is why we are calling on government, on the enabling government, the people in power. Please do something. We cannot be in this country and terrorists go dey do they go dey do yanga. You understand now? You understand? And this our soldier again, when we say they no fit kpai terrorists for Nigeria. You hear one coup wey happen for Benin Republic. The soldier quickly pick up, they go stop that coup. The coup no happen, they don't stop am. The man not successful. The man now that they look for am now for Benin Republic. Yes, if today be your first time of hearing me, of seeing me live and direct like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I will bring all the information wey you wan hear. I go dey bring am come to your doorstep for your domot. You understand? I still remain Àrẹ̀mọ Jesus, so I still remain myself. I never change, my people. Yes, my people. Another news be say TINUBU don tell all the security chiefs say how many years una get? They say 2 years. He say make una listen very well. Listen very well. All the security chiefs, listen very well. Chief of Army Staff, Chief of Defence Staff, Minister of Defence, senior special adviser on security to the presidency, lis ten very well. Chief of naval staff, chief of air staff, chief of army, lis ten very well. Lis ten very well. Inspector general of police, lis ten very well. Hear wetin TINUBU, wetin our president talk o. You must prevent future kidnapping. You must prevent am. You know say prevention is better than cure. All this one wey we dey do na cure. You understand? After dem kidnap people finish, government go come carry money or relative of those people. They go come gather money, go pay bandits, go pay bad people. How una wan make this thing stop? How do you wan make this thing stop? So you see, this thing, if government continue paying or your relative of the people, of the victim, dem continue paying all these bandits, this thing go turn to business now. Bandits come dey get money pass lawyer. Bandits come dey get money, come and see money wey all these guys dey display. They want to say government no fit arrest them, abi dem no know their location. Dem know their location. Even recently, we see list. Me, I never bring the list o. I still dey do my own investigation. I promise you people, I go bring the list. I go come show una for this channel. Me, I go bring the list of those guys, of those people. You go fear. You go fear. No wonder this Baba Ojuade, he sing that time. He say àwọn presi wà nínú wọn, àwọn governor wà nínú wọn. The problem of Nigeria say you dey among. He say me, he say I dey among. He say everybody dey among. Now, and na all these terrorists, na dem cause the whole gbege problem. Wey be say they come dey carry people. You understand? They no allow business to move. You understand? Nobody, we no fit travel from here to there. Na wahala. You understand, my people? You understand? And again, my people, make I quickly tell you before I forget. You know, say me, I like to dey talk about the situation going on in Nigeria and in the world all over. Make I quickly tell you, you know that our first lady, e get one information wey I wan play. Make una lis ten una eye very well. If you see first lady of Nigeria now, e don become chief o. E don become chief. You know wetin be dem dey call am? Yeye Asiwaju of Ooduduwa land. Yeye Asiwaju of Ooduduwa land. Yeye Asiwaju of Ooduduwa land. Now, the new title wey dem confirm on the wife of the president, the first lady of Nigeria, senator. Na senator, na senator too. Senator Oluremi Tinubu, who install am that post na Oni of Ife. Na Oni of Ife, Oba Yeye Ogusi, na he install first lady of Nigeria. He give am one big post, Yeye Asiwaju of Ooduduwa land. So Yeye Asiwaju of Ooduduwa land, our first lady, Ìyàwó Olúrẹ̀mí Tinubu, oyè àmọ́rí o, lágbára Ọlọ́run Ọba, oyè àmọ́rí. Ẹ̀yin tèmi lọ́tùn lósì nílé lóko, ẹ má bínú sí mi, àwọn èèyàn mi ni wọ́n sẹ́ pé àwọn gbádùn wípé tí bá ti fẹ́ gbé àwọn ìròyìn jáde báyìí kí n máa mèsì ẹ̀ papọ̀, iṣẹ́ ti yé yín. So ẹ mọ̀ pé láìsí ẹ̀yin kò sí èmi, láìsí èmi kò sí ẹ̀yin. Ìdí rèé tí a fi ń mèsì gbogbo ẹ̀ papọ̀. My people, that is why I dey mix everything together so that the news I'm bringing can be more. I can be more listening to. You understand? So just manage me the way you are seeing me. May God be with every one of us. So now, right now, e get news wey dey enter our hand now. E get news wey dey enter our hand, and e get one video wey I wan show you. Make you just relax. If today be the first time wey you dey watch me, abeg subscribe to my YouTube channel o. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. E get two YouTube channel wey I dey use. One na Source TV, that one dey confirm kpakpakpa. The other one na Truth Arena. You see that Truth Arena, na backup page, I dey take that one too. Make you subscribe to the two. I love you. May God be with every one of us. So now, that news wey I say I wan tell you, yes, the news that I say I'm going to reveal to you, I'm going to reveal to you now. You know that plan, that coup wey happen for Benin Republic, the details, I'll bring it now for you. You just sit down and relax and enjoy yourself. Once again, my name is Aremo Jesu, also known as Abbas Olumiwa. I remain your loyal person. I will give you as it dey hot, as it dey go. Don't forget that 11 Nigerian military personnel has been held in what be the name of this? I just say it now, oh, my brother. No vex. Yes, Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso. They don't hold them for Burkina Faso. Don't forget. So what be the offense wey dem do? As they won't go, you know, say they go stop the coup wey dey happen for Benin Republic. So they can't land, emergency land, which is against the rules and regulation of the aircraft. So they hold them, they don't arrest them there. So if you never hear, you don't. Sit down and watch this video. Thank you. God bless you. Please subscribe to my YouTube. I just say let me do it the way people will understand me. Just manage me like that. May God be with you. And don't forget, if you really want to join AMCOM, Association for Media Professionals, Content Creator and Marketing Experts, yes, feel free to contact me. Feel free to DM me. Feel free to message me. Thank you. God bless you. One love. You are not alone. Thank you. Watch the video. Thank you. God bless you.
The West African nation of Benin, home to nearly 15 million people, woke on Sunday morning to a declaration of a coup. A group of soldiers appeared on national television saying they had seized power. The self-styled Military Committee for Refoundation, led by Lieutenant Colonel Pascal Tegri, claimed to be stepping in to fix what they described as a failed state.
All institutions are dissolved. Political party activity suspended until further notice. Benin's land, sea and air borders are closed until further notice. Taking power at this moment reflects the CMR's firm determination to end the exclusion of all social groups in our country without any distinction during the transition and to restore national cohesion.
The soldiers accused President Patrice Talon's government of failing to address worsening security threats from armed groups in the north and neglecting fallen soldiers and their families. Gunfire was also reported near Talon's residence in Benin's largest city, Cotonou. But within hours, the Interior Ministry announced the coup had been thwarted and the situation brought under control.
Face à cette situation,
in response to this situation, Benin's armed forces and their leadership, loyal to their oath, remained committed to republican values. Their response ensured control of the situation and foiled the attempt. The government also urges the population to continue their activities as usual. Thank you.
President Talon's government has been in power for nearly a decade and delivered economic reforms and expanded infrastructure. But critics say political space has tightened. Benefits haven't reached all regions, and security threats are growing.
When opposition party discover that the space is getting strong by the day, and they realize that they can't access or capture power through the ballots, then there's a possibility that they reach out to their collaborators within the military to see how they can capture the power through the barrel of gun.
After independence from France in 1960, Benin endured decades of turbulence. But since the 1990s, it has been viewed as one of West Africa's more stable multi-party democracies.
Béninoise, les Béninois.
This is the first serious coup attempt in decades, coming just months before an April 2026 presidential election and amid rising instability in neighboring countries. It underscores the fragility of democratic gains in the region. Zain Basravi, Al Jazeera.
The coup attempt in Benin is part of a larger pattern that we've been seeing in the region. Since 2020, there has been a host of military coups across the African continent. In 2020, soldiers took control in Mali. This was followed by similar coups in Burkina Faso in 2021 and Niger in 2022. The three military leaders are now working together. They have formed their own bloc after breaking away from regional group ECOWAS. It's something we'll talk about again in a second. In 2021, soldiers also took power in Chad and Guinea. Chad's military leader later won a presidential election that the opposition say was rigged. Guinea's coup leader is set to run in an election later this month. 2021 also saw the Sudanese military overthrow longtime ruler Omar al-Bashir. The army shared power with the paramilitary Rapid Support Forces. But 2 years later, a civil war broke out as the two factions fought for control of the country. In 2023, Gabon's president, Ali Bongo, was deposed after 14 years in power. His cousin is now in charge and was announced the winner of an election earlier this year. This past year has already seen two coups. In October, Madagascar's President Andry Rajoelina faced protests over chronic water shortages and power outages. When he refused to resign, the army took over. And just last month in Guinea-Bissau, the military stepped in just days after a disputed presidential election. The incumbent president fled to Senegal, while the opposition challenger was granted asylum in Nigeria. Both the African Union and regional blocs, such as ECOWAS, have been struggling to deal with these coups over the past several years. Today, they have called for Benin's constitution to be respected. Al Jazeera's Ahmed Idris reports from neighboring Nigeria.
I think on the part of the coup plotters, things are slowing down, and the government has the narrative now. They're running with it, saying that they have cut off the soldiers' broadcast on state television, and signals have been cut off. The government is also insisting that the attempt to hit the presidential palace was effectively contained by soldiers loyal to the president. And so they seem to be taking the narrative now to the public, saying that the president is safe. The president also confirmed that President Talon is safe. President Talon, by the way, is set to leave office in April after a two-term, and soldiers probably were thinking of taking this position now after what they call a misdirection, misrule, and of course the privatization of private property, public property into private hands in Benin Republic under President Talon.
Joining us in the studio is Ibrahim Yahya Ibrahim, who is the Deputy Director for the Sahel at the International Crisis Group. Ibrahim, it's great to have you in the studio with us. What an opportunity. You're here in Doha for the Doha Forum. How do you read what happened today? I mean, the early hours of the day, we thought there had been a successful coup in Benin, then it turned out it wasn't successful. But how do you read the dynamic of what brought us here?
I think that in recent days, in the recent month, we have all been holding our breath about what could happen in many countries that are either facing security situation that is bad or that are coming to an election where there is, not clarity whether the rulers will be respecting the rule of the game, the democratic game. So,
as in, will presidents step down when it's the end of their term limit? Will they respect free and fair elections? That's what you mean?
Exactly. I mean, there are different situations. There are cases in which rulers would try to get a third term, right? While the Constitution is limiting the number of terms to 2. There are cases in which the ruler accepts to step down, but they wouldn't allow opposition leaders to run. Or the candidacy of the leader of the opposition is invalidated.
Is that a factor here in Benin? Because the president, Patrice Talon, he's at the end of his second term, and he looks set to respect term limits. His mandate is limited to 2 terms, and he's going to step down. Next election is in April, so he's showing no signs of holding on to power.
And that's the good part of the story, that President Talon has accepted to step down in a context where many other leaders are trying to add new terms. So we saw it in Cote d'Ivoire, we saw it in Cameroon recently, and in many other cases. But I think the less positive part of the story is that the leader of the opposition's candidacy has been invalidated in Benin. And this creates some form of malaise within, the political spectrum in Benin. But it's not the only side of the story. I think the security situation that has not been going well.
The soldiers who appeared on TV earlier today in Benin, that is what they cited. Instability in the north by the armed groups, the same or allied armed groups that have been, destabilizing the entire Sahel region, and that's your area of specialty. The soldiers said the north of the country is unstable and unsafe, and they cited that as one reason why they were attempting to take power. And
it's the first time. I mean, the same reason was advanced to justify the coup in Mali, in Burkina Faso, in Niger. All of those cases, people, the juntas mentioned that the security situation was the reason why they intervened. Every time that you have setback in those conflicts against the jihadists, you have military that get unhappy with the ruling elites and who think that the responsibility goes first, not to them, but to the ruling elite, because they haven't given them the means to fight the jihadists, or there is holdback on their side politically.